Hi, I'm a numbers nerd, but really at OsteoStrong, it's not about the numbers, it's about how you feel. My name is Leann and I'm from St. Charles, Missouri. I love to garden, I love to walk. I live in a 2-story house and I want to stay there, so I want to make sure I can maneuver those steps for a very long time yet. In 2017, the Post-Dispatch did an article on OsteoStrong and I was very intrigued by it. I thought, wow, what a cool concept. And I love the idea that you go once a week for maybe a half an hour. It's like, yeah, I'm good with that. But the only location was in O'Fallon, which seemed like too far for me to drive. So when the St. Peter's location opened up last year, it was just like, okay, I've got to do this. And I've been here since March and I love it. I love it that I come once a week and I have a set appointment at 11:15 every Wednesday, which gives me the great opportunity to schedule stuff around that. I mean, I have coffee with a friend before, I'll have lunch with somebody afterwards. So I love the fact that I have that time set aside. The people here are great. Crystal has been just wonderful. They're very encouraging. They want you to do everything right. They want you to succeed. Walking up and down steps has been a big deal. Getting up from a chair without trying to pull yourself up on something. Even at church, I've noticed I used to grab onto the pew in front of me to pull myself up. I don't do that anymore. I just stand up from the pew. And I really think my balance is better. I can put my pajama pants on at night without doing that little jumping around. I can just slide my leg into the pant leg and my balance is much better. 5 to 10 years from now, I still want to be up and around, walking without any medications. I want to be able to do this on my own. And I want to stay strong. Getting older does not mean getting weaker. Stay strong with OsteoStrong.